Hello, Ramey here again. I think it's finally time to unbox our last 3D printer, the Bambu Lab P1 series with the AMS combo. Beth, you know anything about 3D printing?
No.
That's why she's here. This is the easiest one to set up in my opinion. So I've not done it yet, but I've watched some videos. Cut the box open. Beth, open it up and see what you see inside.
Bubble wrap.
Yeah.
Styrofoam.
That can be removed. Here's how we do this. We take this out. They package just with like an ingenious idea behind it all. It's well packaged. I cut the top open on this one because I got a small dent when it was being delivered, and I got worried that it would. I got worried about the printer. So now, do you see the ingenious stuff they've done? Look at the little stickers. It says grab a hold of these corners and lift. Now I'm going to do that for you.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah. Well, you'll be So I'm going to do that, and you're going to pull the box out from under it. Let me get the stuff out of the box real quick. So inside of the box, I don't know if you can see that in there, we have some support PLA, which is way more than you get in that one roll than the other printers had. They only had 20 grams. In this we have orange PLA, and in this one we have green PLA. It's only a few, grams, but I think that's all. This is also another well-packaged printer. I can't complain about any of this. Even if the dent on the side, I wasn't too worried, but I was worried enough to open the top to see if it was okay. I think that's all in here. Let me take the box out of the way. So this is a 3D printer. It's a really nice one. They got a couple models higher than this on their lists. Oh yeah, you can put that right here. I'll take the filament rolls. Of course, Bambu still makes a quality printer. Now, you don't have to cut that. This is literally a bag. What's the tape? I've been ripping them open for days. Well. And there's the instruction manual. I'm pretty sure the rest of it's self-explanatory. Okay, inside this little instruction manual pamphlet, the Getting Started Guide, we have Bambu stickers. We have free premium models. I won't show you because I want to use those myself. And the instruction manual, which I can't get focused for the light.
Oh.
First things first. It says, take out the accessory box. Use Allen key H2 to remove the screws as pictured. Yeah, you go ahead and take that off because the accessory box should be in the top.
What's this?
That's just to keep tape from messing up stuff, I think. Oh, that's the. You can lift the whole thing up. Lift this up. This is a piece of glass, and it comes straight off. This is the lid. It's made of glass. We'll open it when the time comes. Yeah, just pull that out. No, and then hand me that box. There we go. Now this is the accessory box. I will open this, and then we will use these parts. Now we gotta use the Allen key to take these screws out. Take the front tape off. Here, I'll take this off actually. This is the front door. This tape isn't leaving marks, which is good.
Yeah.
Can you get that side over there and pull it, hand it to me? Actually, I might be able to do this.
Yeah, I think it's all one piece. That's what it was before.
There you go. Take that one too, and I'll open the front door. Now this is how they pack. Now the AMS means automatic material system, which means it takes multiple color filaments and puts them in one container and then spits them out as you need them to make multiple colored in one print. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me get the Allen key out. This is the filament spool holder if we just wanted to use the single one instead of the multi-system. Do you see an Allen key in there anywhere?
No, just a couple of little screws.
Okay, I found it. Okay, a little bag full of goodies. It usually has the Allen key. Inside this box was a spare nozzle, an Allen key, which we will be using. By we, I mean you. The warranty bag and the power cable and the AMS cable. The maintenance kit, which basically has the screws you need, a scraper, a blade if you want to build the scraper that's probably saved on the SD card, and the cable to hook the AMS up. You see the red arrows? Take those screws out. Only the front ones, and then we'll move to the next ones after that. It's probably best to do it like this. I might be able to make this easier on you. Here. Back is back out.
Isn't that nifty? I want one.
Now, and now we can pull the AMS straight out. That we undid that. Yeah, I don't think we can get the... Can we get this?
There's styrofoam you gotta get out.
Now take the AMS straight out. This right here is the AMS. It will hold multiple filaments up to 4. They go into these little dongs, and then they'll go in the back. We'll hook it up as we go along. Set it right here. This is where I've been setting things like this. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, keep the desiccant back. Remove the 4 screws as the arrows are indicated on the inside on the AMS holder. See this? These 4 screws down here are what held the AMS holder in. What is this even pointing at?
Nothing.
There's a sticker right there, and it isn't pointing towards anything. We got to take out these 4 screws, and I don't think you'll be able to do it with the screwdriver. These are also like the easiest 3D printers to put together in the world, pretty much. The ones I had before were pretty much a nightmare for a newbie. You don't think that sticker is supposed to be facing down in that hole, do you? Right now, that's probably a corner, isn't it? Can you see?
There's a screw in there, so I feel like it is.
Are you sure there's a screw? Okay, there is.
Mm-hmm.
You see why they give us an extremely long Allen key now, though?
Yeah.
Oh, there goes all my new paint job. Remove the cardboard from the tool head. Remove the foam from the excess chute. The poop chute is what we call it, right here. This is where the poop goes when it's cleaning the nozzle. Cardboard. We can move this a little bit. Is there a split in this somewhere?
Yeah,
right here.
it's back here.
It's over here. We were both in the... Okay, now AMS assembly. Basically, we got to unwrap the door now.
There's a opening thingy over here. Oh, it's probably because of the glue.
Oh no! My paint. I can get that off. Look at it. I have adhesive. Don't just pull it through there. Rip it off. Because the adhesive leaves marks if you do that. They make it look like that's what you're supposed to do, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look. That didn't make a mess. This only goes on one way. Corner sharp, front is sharp. Little snap is. Now, AMS goes on top. You have the AMS.
That thing?
Yep, that thing. Automatic material system. Just put it on top. Oh, golly. No, not all the way up. Scoot it back, like against the back. The cable, well, first things first, we're going to take this tube here. See this tube? So what we're going to do here is you want to come around here? Or you can see it, can't you?
Yeah.
Now we're going to hook this up because this is what sends all the filaments into this. This goes down here into the top one, right here. And it just barely makes a little pop into there. Now we take cable I had here, AMS cable. Bamboo bus cable will have a turn on it. So this is the bus cable, the short one. This says right here on the side of this, it says this end connects to the 3D printer, this side up. So that'll go right here. Lift this this hose up just a little bit. There we go. This goes from here underneath and connects down here. It only goes one way. And now this is called the Bambu bus cable 6-pin. The other one was a 4-pin. And it goes to any one of these AMS ports up here. And it goes down here into this. There we go. Do we want to put the spool holder on here? I don't think I want to put the standard spool holder on here. No, I'm not going to do that. Now we got to remove the 3 screws with Allen key H2 to unlock the hotbed. Now, you see those 3 screws? 1, 2, 3?
No.
There's markers right here. Here's one, and here's one.
Yeah.
See if you can get them out with that tool. Press the button a few times if it gets stuck. I save all these screws just because I never know if I ever have to ship it for anything, get it repaired or do anything, you know.
Oh. Goodness.
Far one in the back.
Here we go.
Insert the LCD cable into the port plugged into the terminal as pictured. Okay, you see this port right here with the wires and all that? The screen goes there. Now this is the one real downside of this device, is the screen is so bad compared to even the cheaper models. The A1 and the A1 Mini I have over here, they have touch screens. This has a monochrome button pressing, like something you get on an ATM, an old ATM. Now you see how this has this little snaps right here where it goes in and slides over?
Yeah, you need to remove the tape.
Remove the tape.
This is more of like what you would use on a bandage in the hospital.
Maybe that's why they use it. I was told, or one of the videos I had said they mentioned the tape, the adhesives they use really aren't meant to leave marks on your device. Which,
ow!
What'd you do? You found the tape, didn't you? You taped your hair up.
There we go.
Now, hook it in the back of there. It only should fit one way. No. See the cable? Yeah, it should kind of fit one way. And then you push it in and slide it over.
Slide it which way?
Towards me. There we go. Oh no, I leave those on.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like I should. Connect the printer to power, follow the instructions. Give me
There's
the
still
screwdriver.
styrofoam in there.
Yeah, I know, but when the bed raises up to level, we can... Oh, you want to start taking plastic off the EMS? Can you plug this in back there somewhere? I'm going to set this up here. Let me plug this in. Up here is also some desiccant. Here, you got one on your side too. To keep the filament dry.
I have nails on. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that.
Be careful, because there's a packet inside of a packet. We want to keep one inside itself. Moisture is the bane of a 3D print filament. Flip the power switch on the back.
Check to see if that's plugged in all the way.
It is.
The touch screen, or the not touch screen. Because I didn't put a lot of pressure on it when I was plugging it in. I was afraid of.
No.
Now it's working.
Okay, I want to set this up real quick. Scan the QR code. I'm not letting you all see this part because it would give away our information. Select your Wi-Fi. Confirm and start calibration. It's going to start. And when it lifts up to about halfway, grab those pieces of foam you see, okay? Oh, there's all one big piece? Two big pieces?
Looks that way.
Fascinating. The light. Everybody says the light is barely enough to light the thing up. Right here. Or, no, right here. They're not yellow. Here, let me show you how to do this and you can do the rest. Put them in like this. Put this down in here. Push this forward. Come on. Not so hard, is it? They don't have to go in any certain order. Push the button. Push the button towards the back.
Oh.
There you go. I should have said slide the button. I really don't know. It's a button. Everybody calls it a button, but it don't act like a normal button. Now, shut the lid, and you see a little latch you can slide over on top of the lid.
There's more.
Look, look.
Okay. Calibration complete.
What would you like your first print to be? A boat, a scraper,